Again, I don't know if it's the mix-up of protocol. There is exchange of documents we are going to have. Signing already has been done. I'm sure you have received the first purge of the release of the money into the club. And they did promise, if you make it through the KPL or the Premier as the champions, you receive 10 million Kenya shillings on top of the 20. I'm saying this are waiting to know what we are doing. But allow me, all right, allow me to lay apology from two members of parliament, Mheshimiwa Onchoke Obonchari and Mheshimiwa Obiri or Bobasi. The other team, the other leaders, I hope soon they will be joining with us to make sure their team moves forward. Allow me to speak this one here to see. As the Senate of Nyamira has pointed out. Enda mwa mwete yentongera kama tokurak.